Good morning and good afternoon to some of you, my dear brothers and sisters. What a beautiful Sabbath day it is. As long as I have air and can breathe in and out, I have every reason to praise my Lord with all my energy. I am blessed to be a child of God, and I know that He is still working with me. Are you feeling the same? Are you grateful today and ready to offer praise to God for giving you another day? If your answer is yes, type "I'm blessed" in the comment section below and share this clip with others who are also blessed by God today. I wish you all a happy Sabbath day. Please enjoy your day of rest and worship. I love you all and would like to know where you are worshiping today. Be a blessing to someone today. Thank you.